Hi all, I'm Mousami Nilakhe, a soft skills and life skills corporate trainer and life coach. Let me ask you a question and be honest. Have you ever felt after meeting people instantly that I like this person or maybe I don't want to talk to this person? Here is the shocking truth. People make an impression about you in just 7 seconds. Yes, you heard it right, in just 7 seconds. Our brains are wired for quick judgments. It's called thin slicing. We make big assumptions with tiny clues like how the person is standing, smiling, walking, etc. In 7 seconds, we decide whether the person is friendly or rude, whether I like this person, whether the person is confident, and many more things. Let me share with you 4 secrets that can make you magnetic and memorable. Stay tuned throughout the video as I'll be sharing two bonus links of the videos on body language during various parts of the video. So let's begin. First secret, smile and eye contact. You have to smile not only at the beginning of the conversation but also throughout the conversation. When you smile at people, they feel that you are energetic, you are confident, and you are approachable. For more detailed video on how smile can help you, check the link above. You also have to maintain eye contact throughout the conversation. It tells the other person that you are trustworthy. Whatever you are speaking is the truth. It also tells the person that you are confident and interested in the conversation. Do type it in the comments box if you have any question on the body language and I'll try to answer it. Secret 2. Your posture. So while standing or sitting, make sure your shoulders are held back, chest should be slightly ahead, chin should be slightly up. You shouldn't be looking at people like this, but like this. Your toes should be pointed inward towards the person with whom you are speaking. It shows that you are interested in the conversation. Secret 3. Positive gestures. Use your hands while talking. When you use your hands while talking, other people feel that you're confident and you know your subject well. It also makes other people be attentive on your conversation for longer duration because there is some movement happening in front of their eyes. Next step is handshake. It should be firm grip handshake with 3 to 4 shakes accompanied by smile and eye contact. For detailed video on how to make an impressive handshake, just check the link above. Secret 4. Your appearance. Your outfit speaks before you do. So wear such attire which matches with the event or the organization where you work. For example, you cannot wear sports watch or round neck t-shirt at office. So your accessories like your watch or the shoes that you wear or the jewelry that you wear should match with your attire, the pattern of your attire. So next time when you meet people, create great impression using your body language. Type it in the comment box which secret you follow for a great body language. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that I can bring such interesting videos for you. Bye for now.